Go!
All right, what are you doing to protect your office during the pandemic? Let's start with the obvious. Number one, grow a beard. This is a great time to grow a beard because Zoom video conferencing will blur your face while the stubble is coming in, giving you the opportunity you need to grow that facial hair. Our buddy James here started just yesterday. Say hi, James.
Hey guys.
Step two, upgrade some of the technology. We want to do anything we can to keep your staff and yourself safe. We have to limit human exposure, so we're going to use some technology. We're literally upgrading our hardware so that we don't have to come face to face with our clients. This protects the attorney and it protects our staff. All right, you see I got these 4 screws aligned perfectly. Now that we've installed the base plate, we go ahead and add the doorbell. So, this is. Now what can we do? Thanks to some other technology upgrades yesterday, mail slot, the person can ring the doorbell.
Rolling.
Okay, so now all I have to do, when your clients arrive, put a little sign here that says, hey, ring the doorbell, we're not gonna attend you in person. They push that doorbell, you're gonna get a notification on your phone, and you can start live two-way communication. So your client's out here, and your staff is safely inside.